In our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some are cold. List some objects which are used in daily life and classify them into hot and cold. The experiments conducted by Count Rumford and James Prescott in the beginning of the 19th century established that heat is a form of energy known as thermal energy. Take 3 bowls on the table. Mark A, B, and C on them. Put ice cold water in bowl A, ordinary tap water, neither hot nor cold, in bowl B, and hot water in bowl C. Put your right hand in bowl A containing cold water and left hand in bowl C containing hot water. Keep these for about 2-3 minutes. Then take out both hands and simultaneously put in bowl B containing tap water. Your right hand, which was previously put in cold water, will feel hot. The left hand, which was previously put in hot water, will feel cold, although temperature of tap water is the same for both hands. Thus, we conclude that heat is an agent which produces the sensation of warmth in us.